Thank you sa tatlo. Thank you for promoting us to be a better person. Thank you sa mga tao. Thank you sa mga pasulat na naglaw.
Wala ko yung pasulat.
Wala libro mo. Hindi natural.
Practice na, I think practice na yan.
Meron kami na simple talk. Too much. The best because we are mga teachers. We are mga okay, you are the greatest hopefully next reunion.
Assure.
Tapos, black and black ng hair.
Kuya!
Ako yung pwede. Kuya to? 64 na daan.
With the age of technology, hindi na naman mag-watch.
Isang batch 1996. Danis maliit for you. Hindi pa ko maliit, basta na. Go. While ginag-give nila.
Nagpadala naman makaliw ka nagpa-ako.
Everybody sing!
Showing the world.
Uy, di mo pa na, hindi ko di. Ay, catch up, ano ba lang? Song yun lang.
Buhay pa kami ni.
So, we, your teachers of Batch 1996, are very proud, no, of you being the cream of the crops ng Batch 1996. Then, kapray lang kami, you should continue doing well, with good health, and good luck, more success in your future endeavors.
Achieve more.
No, baka bay pagid nga you still miss. Damo pagid nga panahon. Kag mayong lawas namon nga maka-attend kami Japon. So thank you very much. Batch 1996. Ay, amo ako galit sila sa una ko.
Next ka rin yan, sa Singapore pa naman mo. Disneyland. Sa Singapore, Disneyland.
Sponsor
Afghanistan ako mas-sponsor.
So, first time may experience na nag-reunion sa inyo mga batch, no? Kamo mga initiators. So, continue to be leaders. Models of other youth. So, salamat din sa inyo tanan-tanan for the lunch and for the dinner and for the acquaintanceship that we have this evening. Oy, imo yang balyan ng kanada. Italiano ko
my base.
May bit naman. I can explain.
Bata gamay, ano na yung imo?
Pwede na yung
Amit ba? Iniya.
kami ng mga teachers. Nalipay lang. Nalipay lang kita ang mga umuman na in-expect ako sa mga yung dreams nyo. Okay. Makabalik ko mo magbalik ko sa school and then makayuhan ka, mapakita nyo sa teachers kung ano ang na-reach nyo. Ano na kalipay namin. Wala na lang kasi teachers of Mabibig na makita ko mong naging successful ka mo na kung ano man ang mga dreams niyo in buhay. And would like to take this opportunity to thank all no kay ining batch in-expect na naman nga mag-iiri na mayo ako sa day. So thank you very much.
Nakakahibi ba ng imong speaker ba? Doon ka, huli Luis.
Ay, gabi naman.
Sige, sir.
Alam na times 5. You know, it's a very rare moment for us. You know, the first thing that reminds me the first time I communicated with some of you through Facebook is when I thought that Teddy Nobiayan si Annalisa. That was the good news, it's because naka-online si Teddy, nag-chat ko yung Teddy. Sino ning pari na tupad? Sir, hindi na siya. Hindi, sa tupad ng detective ko si Annalisa. And that's the time that I think Teddy, forward mo nga ako at bless yan sa naman. And everyone communicating with me. And we are thankful, I am thankful for your invitation. And for those na nakaginan, wala ko ma-identify and name immediately, please do not name them. It's because kadamo sa inyo na nagbabay sa akin. We could remember the faces, but the names we cannot. But maybe kung nakakamisan nang galing sa natin memory gap, no? Hindi na kami mag-memory gap, then we could still remember some of your things. So, I'm thankful and happy to see most of you doing well in your chosen field of career, and hoping that this gathering will be not the end but the initial step, no? For a better gathering, not only for you but also for your pastors. So ako, I was able to reach this position. It's also because of you, no? And I'm proud to tell you sa football, no, hindi ko mag-disregard ang iba. Because of them, I am a football instructor now, FIFA instructor. Because of them, I became coach. I became a Kasibulan instructor. Now I am a FIFA instructor for the whole Philippines in refereeing. No? So, bukod na sa ilang, but I'm happy also na nakita ko grupo nila diyan, and those of their fans. Wala na lang nagbigat si Mama Arboleda, yung team manager.
Kaya nga siya.
I've heard si Mama Arboleda is still okay, but although she's...
Ay, si Mama Arboleda, doon siya dos na ginatag sa ako.
So, I could remember na may ginataglas sa Quintana. And always scolded because she's always masarap sa klase. Always
Sani-sani yun.
And si Jennifer Nagina, no? Jennifer Nalda, she's the most quietest person.
Character awardee.
I cannot describe more of you, maybe, ang iba na lumagot sa gabi, kung magpulit ka rin minsan misis ko, madugdugong tayo siya. From time to time, we keep talking some of you, no, some of your batches, and hindi ko pa-describe some words na gamitin ko magpasalamat sa inyo. Ang honor lang naman is we're happy you invited us. Sa kalamang usapang nga kami yung pili yun, no? Which in fact, we believe also that we are not the best. But what we believe is ang hamon chip mo, open pa kami itong aduwa. Pag sinamon nyo, what we do then is just work and work and work. Di ba ma'am, no? Isa ginagagan man yung sa principal natin sa una. Sinong principal ko sa una, Lois? Sinong labi ka?
Lalagang mo.
So, muna na ang hamon. So, to all of you, this is not speeches for those hard-minded, no? But this speech is for those who enjoy the community of your friends together. So thank you and keep in touch with me Facebook, with my Facebook. So, if you have your Facebook, kung hindi na tama na, ano nyo lang, add nyo lang. Okay? So thank you very much. I'll put this one in my taraktara sa may sa taraktara ko sa may butang ko. I saw it yung uloy na yung mga muna. So hopefully this will give a little joy, no, sa ako, and it will remind you most of you. So to all of you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Teacher, magaling sa math. Ikaw, teacher ka. How do you feel na teacher ka, no? Ang
Teacher yun.
Koreana, dahil.
Teacher ka man ah.
Start sa language center. So, hindi siya classroom based. Pero, ang nice na yung students, if maka-learn sila, and then kung baga, kung mag-grow sila, malaya sa...
Namdalom ba?
Sa pag...
Doon ka dalong naman.
It's so different na feel different after. Diba baga, wow, ako galihan ko na siya. I'm part of it. Not really. For sure, it's not.